Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm here with another video, and this video is for people that have asked me how you can take down this hairstyle I shared a while ago. And this is the needle and yarn or thread flat twist. If you haven't seen this video, I'm going to put the link for you to see that in the description and also on the screen for you to click. And so a lot of people have asked me, how do you take it down? So I decided to film the takedown. I'm just showing you this process just for those that are just joining in for the very first time. And if today is your first time of coming to this channel, please do subscribe and please like this video. So I made this style a while ago. It's a flat twist that you can make with needle and thread, and I saw another YouTuber doing it, so I put her video down. I'm also going to put her video and her channel down. So this is what it looked like. So almost 2 weeks later, the hair was rough. Of course, my daughter is not someone that can keep hair for a long time, so this is what it looked like after almost 2 weeks. So of course, she removed the pony at the back even before the hair was like this. So this is what it looked like after some weeks. So yeah, and so she was supposed to take it out of herself, but I like, okay, since people are asking me to do a takedown video, let me just do this quickly. And so guys, it will shock you because this hair takedown is something I didn't expect. I was expecting it to be really, complicated, difficult, considering the fact that she kept it for 2 weeks and almost 2 weeks. So I was like, okay, so let me go ahead and just show you guys. So you can see the end of the braid. I kind of like threaded it, so that is how it's done. You thread the end and you can see that the thread is coming out easily. And just in case you don't know, I use Brazilian yarn in this video, and the Brazilian yarn I doubled it. So now you can see I'm trying to remove it, and it's so simple. It's like taking out your hair that you thread, or taking out your cornrow. Nothing is hard. Anywhere that you find like difficult to like remove, you can just use your rat tail comb to just pull the thread out like so, and everything begins to go back. And one other thing I noticed was that this hairstyle didn't shed the hair, and the hair was intact. And yeah, I think it's a good protective style, and I really recommend it. And it's very simple to make and simple to take out. So here we are with the last braid, and guys, this is very quick and very simple. It's so easy to take out. So if you are about to attempt this hairstyle, do not be afraid. Take down is simple, you can do it yourself, so don't worry about it. So guys, I would like to hear what you think in the comment section, and yeah, let me know if there's anything you want to discuss. Just let me know in the comment section. So thanks so much guys for watching this video. Until my next one, bye.